Ayaan Zidan. Look, America muscle car. Assalamualaikum. I'm Ayaan Zidan, and today we're gonna go Blackpool Beach. Yeah. We just bought this for kiteboard beach. This can be big. We finally made it! Oh, look at that. Can't see it. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Recording. Toys. The toy store.
Come back this way.
Look at that. I can't believe it's raining. New room. Do you want to see our new room? I'll show you where the fun is. The fun here. There's a fan there, the iron thing there, and the towels and the bank there to keep your money safe. One towel here. I'm gonna go swimming with one towel. I'm not gonna go to the. Let's go there. Oh! This is our two beds, and this is our TV, and this is our wooden fridge. Yo, look at this. Look at here. Yeah, look cool. Here. Look. And we have some glasses. Oh, juice. Oh my god. What's in here? Oh, it's raining. This is my bed. No, this is Ayaan Zidan's. Right. It's raining. See, we're gonna go there tomorrow at the beach. And the mobile. The mobile is right. Let me do that. No, let me. Good morning! Where's mommy? She's getting breakfast. What do you call it? Outside. Oh, no. Mom? No? It's not raining! That's not raining, that's a good thing. But we still can't play in the sun because the water has gone up. We need to wait for it to go down. Yes. But Mom's not here. I will not be here. Let's be crazy. Yeah. Let's go. John, sit up. John, sit up. Oh, who's the best? downstairs. Let's book it! Can you book swimming? Excuse me, can we book swimming? Two people, and what time? 12, okay. Is there a changing room downstairs? Can we get change? Okay, thank you. Bye. We are ready to go swimming. We are going swimming.
Go on. Quickly. Stay there. Go on.
We had so much fun in the swimming pool, but the ladies had stopped recording it. It's sunny, it's a nice weather, but it's too windy.
What do you say? Scary. Zidan, scary.
Oh, look at that.
Look what's on there. Look, Ashes on. Cricket's on TV. Keep going, keep going. won? Who won? Oh my God, Zidan won! Zidan!
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Not bad. We'll try harder next time.
Keep going.
Give it down the other turn.
Get you on now. Yeah, get him. Come on.
Yeah, don't eat it. Eat it when you get I had a wonderful day at Blackpool. I love Blackpool. Thank you for watching. Subscribe with your thumbs up. Bye. Ayaan Zidan. Please subscribe.